Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an unexpected I/O error has occurred. Error code 0xc00000e9 error in Windows 10 indicates a problem with accessing the hard drive during the boot process. This usually stems from issues with the hard drive itself, faulty hardware components, or corrupt system files. To fix the problem, you first need to make a bootable pen drive. Note that the OS you have installed on your computer will be bootable on the pen drive. My bootable pen drive is already made. You can make it too. Insert the computer into the bootable pen drive, then restart the computer. In order to access BIOS on a Windows PC, you must press your BIOS key set by your manufacturer, which could be F2 or Dell. Once the BIOS settings is open, then go to boot section, then go to boot option priorities and select bootable pen drive, and then after press F10 save the BIOS settings. After that your Windows computer will boot. After clicking repair your computer, after click to repair option, then choose advanced options. After that, select troubleshoot from the advanced options menu. Then choose startup repair. Startup repair will scan your system for problems and attempt to fix them. If the problem is still not fixed, go to the next solution and follow me. Method 2. I would suggest you to rebuild BCD. To do this, follow these steps. To run the Winload.exe tool, you must start Windows RE. To do this, follow these steps. Boot from the disk. Once you get the welcome screen of installation with the option, Install Now. Then click on Repair your computer. After that on the next page click on Advanced Options. Then, click on Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options. Then, click on Command Prompt and type the following commands and press Enter after each command. Bootrex space then slash then type fixboot then press hit Enter after scan complete then go to next command. Bootrex space then slash then type fix mbr then press hit Enter after scan complete then go to next command. Bootrex space then slash then type rebuild BCD. Then press hit Enter after scan complete then go to exit cmd prompt. After that, if all the commands execute successfully, restart the system. Usually, it should fix the problem. Method 3. Make sure that your system's SATA cables are connected properly. If you are using a PC not a laptop, then you should check the older SATA cables of your PC. Make sure it is in working condition and connected properly. Drives. Try disconnecting all but the one with the operating system. To fix the problem first we will first check the hard drive cables like SATA cable and hard drive power cable. Firstly open SATA cable or hard disk power cable. After checking, reconnect the cables the way they were connected, otherwise follow me to see how I am connecting them. If SATA cable is bad then this problem is showing. Then install a new SATA cable because this problem is shown when the SATA cable is bad. After install SATA cable, then turn on the computer. If you have the same problem after the computer is turned on, you may have a hard drive problem. I will try to change the new hard disk. I hope your problem is fixed. After the computer is turned on, the computer will be turned on without any problem. This is how to fix an unexpected I/O error has occurred in Windows 10 or Windows 11. The three methods above can fix most boot issues like error code 0xc00000e9 and 0xc0000225. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.